I realised there was a plant on the side of my plant house order for my monsteras, a caladium. I cut it back and it surprisingly got new ones in just a few weeks. The caladium looks like this, which is like a white speckled little plant. I had a lot of dirt, so I transplanted a lot of the dirt into a smaller container to transplant my sugarcane. My sugarcane is my favourite plant, but here's a picture here of it before the dirt. But then I put it in my room underneath a tray and put it on top of the little coffee table that was next to it. Cute little baby photo next to it. From composting all of my tropicals and monstera, it has 3 leaves in this one and 1 here, so that's 4 leaves all up for the laniata narrow form monstera. I use cocoa coir poles because I can keep it moist, and the roots that try to anchor themselves down end up growing into the cocoa coir pole. While my monkey mask monstera has only 2 new leaves. Still good though. This is my succulent, also known as the Gollum. One of the little arms fell off, so I ended up repotting it into some dirt here. It actually ended up rooting in this photo here, if you look close enough. And I've replanted another 5 of them, because I'm thinking about selling these. And my cactus is heavily root bound, but it's still growing little clusters at the top, but I am going to have to get around to putting it into some cactus mix. Most of my jewel orchids have leaves coming out in them, like this one, the Macodes, this one, the gold bar, and also my emerald gold jewel orchid. The one that I was worried about was the variegated one here. The top leaf is looking good after transplant, but I am going to have to keep an eye on it so it doesn't get too dry around the ends of the leaves. I also made a couple of little pots with moss in it because now I'm the moss queen, and my terrarium is going really well. It's staying humid, but I've got to make sure to keep the window open once or twice every few days, just to keep air and ventilation going throughout the terrarium. My African violets needed to be dead-headed, so I cut all the dead flowers off. This is what it looked like after, which is so pretty. It has almost this glittering effect to it, which I find it absolutely mesmerizing. I also found out tonight that it has more flower clusters, which I'm super happy about because it's such an amazing plant, especially if you look under the leaves, it's pink as well as the flower. Absolutely gorgeous. It is only in a small pot, and again I'm gonna have to repot this, so I'll show how to repot flowering plants as well in a later video. And then I hope to put these flowers, and I hope they grow as big as the pots that I have for my banana or my monsteras.